Just take about 1 more minute on that. Just show me your eyeballs when you're done, and I know that you're done. Try to make it more than two words. But you straight to the point, though. That's good. How we doing? The last one? Good. Anybody know any names of any pharaohs or any, what's a famous pharaoh? You? King Tut. Everybody says that. Anybody know anything different?
No.
You?
Cleopatra.
Cleopatra? I don't know about that. She's a pharaoh. Very nice. What about you? No? All right, listen. Yes? Yeah, I've heard of him too. Very nice. This is a very good class. All right, listen. For you guys that aren't familiar with pharaohs, I just want you to get an idea of what pharaohs look like and how much responsibility they had. Many pharaohs spent their whole entire lives and many more lives building what? Building pyramids for their final resting place. These are pyramids. They spent their whole lives and their children's lives building their final resting places for pyramids. And in a lot of the pyramids, they left hieroglyphics, they left
I am Namir,
communication.
also known as Menes. I unified Upper and Lower Egypt to become the first pharaoh of the first dynasty. I established my capital in part2, now called Memphis, in the birth. My victory in the conquest of
Everybody should know a pharaoh when we're done with this, so write down names. Not King Tut.
I ruled for 60 years, from 3100 BC to 3040 BC.
And their dates that they ruled. They just said it.
That's a name?
I am Joseph, a ruler from the third dynasty of Egypt. I reigned for 28 years, during which time I commissioned my high priest, Imhotep, to build the first step pyramid. I sent several military expeditions to the Sinai Peninsula. I also expanded our southern border by rebuilding the Temple of Gnon. I ruled from 2668 BC to 2649 BC.
What does BC stand for?
Before Christ.
Very nice.
My name is Nefru. I founded the fourth dynasty of Egypt. I built 3 pyramids. The pyramid at Egypt, the Bent Pyramid, and the Red Pyramid, which introduced major innovations in the design and construction of pyramids in ancient Egypt, from the stepped pyramid of Joseph to the smooth, guided pyramid of my son Khufu. I ruled from 1300 BC to 2589 BC.
I am Khufu, the second pharaoh of the fourth dynasty. I am son of Senefru and the father of Khafre, Menkaura, Jedefre, and Shepshas, who also built pyramids. I came to the throne in my 20s and was focused and determined on ensuring the legacy of myself and my dynasty by building the Great Pyramid of Giza. I ruled from 2589 BC to 2566 BC.
Anybody know what that was called?
The rise of Red the Sun. I ruled from the fourth dynasty and built the second largest pyramid at Giza. After my father's Khufu's pyramid, I erected a temple dedicated to the great Sphinx between the columns. It is said that the Sphinx is after my enlightenment. I ruled from 2508 BC to 2532 BC. Ray, I am empowered, son of David, and ruler of the four
I think they're trying to emulate how they think they sound from the information that they got. Because a lot of them, when they were buried, they left a lot of information with them. They were buried with their favorite things, and they try to emulate a lot of it.
I ruled from 2532 BC to 2503 BC.
And people wrote writings about them, so maybe they would say they were very soft-spoken, very descriptive things to try to get your idea. And that's what they wanted to do. They wanted to preserve their idea of what they were.
I reigned from 2375 BC to 2345 BC. I built a pyramid at Saqqara named Beautiful Are the Places of Unas, which contained the first appearance of the pyramid text, which is the oldest primary source of the Egyptian
We're going to look at one more. There's a lot of pharaohs. We're going to look at one more, and then we're going to move on.
I am your first Tarian Ibn the second, ruler from the 690s. Seated throne at 86, I remembered the longest reign of any ruler in history at 94 years. During my reign, government was decentralized from a monarch to a monarchy, giving more power to the head of each nome. I built a pyramid at the tower known as Hidden Right in New York. I ruled from 2278 BC to 2184.
All right. These are some of the interesting things that you guys can obviously look up on a computer when you have time instead of always playing video games. You can look up stuff like that. I mean, there was about 20 more pharaohs that you know what? Maybe we all will pick one and write a report about it, huh? How about that? All right, listen. Somebody tell me what this is.
Hieroglyphic.
This is hieroglyphic. What do you think it is?
It's your name.
It is my name. How'd you know? Just the way they lined it up? Oh, really? So what does it say? Ah, very good. Very good. You are paying attention. And not because you know the symbol and signs. It's just because it was a trick question. But very good. Guess what? You're all going to do it. Class is almost over. I want this returned to me. You're going to write your name in hieroglyphics and answer the 3 questions that follow. I'm collecting it. At the top of the paper, put your name in regular English so I can read what your name is. So I don't have to look up every name by using a hieroglyphic scale. Excuse me? Yeah, pass those down. Pass these down and behind you. No, you just do your first name in hieroglyphics because it's going to take some time. Do your first name in hieroglyphics, that one? Yes? So what? That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. You'd rather have purple? It's only purple because I ran out of paper. It wasn't like... Okay, you got a purple one? All right. On the line on the top, you're going to write your name regular, okay? On the line on the side of the hieroglyphics, no, just your first name. I want to see how everybody's name looks.
My name is part2.
But that's why you got a little bit of time to do it, yes? I can't hear you. Who did you didn't get one? Okay, but... No, this is right now work.
Oh.
There you go. Anybody good? It's okay, just do one side. So you didn't follow directions. On this line next to the hieroglyphics, how are you supposed to write your name? In hieroglyphics. Just like I did. Huh? Excuse me? Each letter represents, a symbol represents each letter. She's doing very good. You followed great directions. That looks good. Listen, you don't have to be the greatest artist. You just got to try your best. Good job, son. Very good. What you got? Good. Who's finished? You just finished your name though, right? All right. The second question. It said list the social classes. We went over that. You can use your book. You can use your book. But line up the social classes just like we did next to the pyramid. At the top, what's at the top of the pyramid in the social classes? A pharaoh. So I gave you one answer. I gave you one answer. Everyone has trouble drawing the birds.
I do. And the lion.
Just do it part by part. I usually started with the head. I have a bird in my name too.
Come here. Please.
That's all right. Yes.
You already know what the bird is, so.
That looks good.
No, it doesn't.
There was an A and another A right there. That looks good. Nah, that's fine. Answer the rest of the questions now. What's up, babe? You're all done. Hold on one second. I'm gonna collect them all at one time. Hey, now you can't get away with CJ and shit. Hey, that's your full name? How you gonna do me like that? What's your full name? Cabell? Matter of fact, nah, he's good. Actually, he's all right. He's all right. He followed good directions and he got very good, nice, complete answers on the next part. Tiffany. But do you see how hard it was for them to write? So they had to have a lot of patience to sit here and make symbols and get in the wrong spot. That's fine. Make sure you're answering the rest of the questions, guys. Make sure you're answering the rest of the questions. Is everybody done? I'll collect it. We can go over it, and it's still gonna be graded. We're almost out of time. Excuse me? Now, I was waiting for that question. If you have an extra line, as we had the pyramid, if you had an extra line at the bottom, okay? And I also made an example with this, and I added a next, and peasants was at the bottom right here. What was under that? Don't yell out. I almost wrote it down too. Add that. You might get an extra 5 or 6 points. Let's go. I'm about to collect it in 2 minutes. The bell's gonna ring. The bell's gonna ring, and I'm gonna collect it in 2 minutes. We can go over this.